Hi, everyone, and thanks for joining. Let's make another American Heart Association heart healthy recipe, salmon hash burgers. I spent quite a lot of time in the Kroger aisle looking for the lowest amount of sodium I could find in a canned salmon. Chicken of the Sea had 240 milligrams of sodium per serving, and one serving is the whole can, which is around 5 ounces. So this recipe will actually make 4 salmon patties. So you would divide that 240 by 4, and that's how much sodium would be in each salmon patty. Next is the egg whites. We'll add some diced onion. And then I also spent quite a bit of time looking for the lowest amount of sodium for breadcrumbs. I ended up finding panko unseasoned breadcrumbs for the lowest amount of sodium. Next, you add 1 teaspoon of honey mustard. Mix that all together. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty because you'll have to smash them into a patty anyways. So form 4 patties from your mixture. And instead of an oven, I'm using a Ninja Foodie on the bake/roast function. Next, we're going to take our hash browns and we're going to make patties out of these to place in the Ninja Foodie as well. So the instructions say to give these an extra squeeze to try to wring out any excess moisture that they may contain, because these were once frozen, but I left them in the fridge overnight to thaw. I'm pretty skeptical if these are going to actually stay together because there is no eggs, breadcrumbs, or anything to really hold them together. So we'll see how they turn out. Go ahead and start your Ninja Foodie or start your oven. And in the meantime, let's make the sauce. 3 teaspoons of honey mustard and a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Mix that all together until smooth, and that's it for your sauce. You can also add some lime juice and garlic to add even extra flavor to this sauce. So I was pleasantly surprised to find that the hash browns stayed together and they did make a nice bun. Nice and crispy golden brown. I prefer to have lettuce as my buns, so I'm just going to use these as a topper. But you can definitely make 4 for 2 different sandwich buns. We're going to assemble these lettuce, salmon patties, tomatoes, some of our sliced avocados. Can't forget the honey mustard mayo dressing. Our hash browns for a nice crunch. And another piece of lettuce. I recruited my husband to taste test this, and as you can see, he was very skeptical. But to his pleasant surprise,
That is really good. That's excellent. Definitely a little bit messy, but excellent.